Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This tour takes place in the Mekong River Delta, the southernmost region of Vietnam. We will board a motorboat that will take us to the canals and allow us to explore the province of Ben Tre, one of the 12 provinces of the Delta. On the way to the canals we passed a floating village that is a symbol of a charming and unique culture. The houses are based on a floating raft, where the whole family lives there. People make a living from aquaculture, fishing or tourism. When we cross paths with other boats in the middle of the wide estuary, we receive a series of waves and there is some turbulence. We arrived at the canals and boarded one of the typical rowing boats from this region of Vietnam, almost always driven by women, to head into the jungle. The canals are surrounded by dense vegetation mostly made up of water coconut trees. A truly stunning scenery. During the Vietnam War, the Mekong Delta canals were used to transport supplies and weapons, playing a crucial role in the Vietnamese resistance. The film Apocalypse Now, by Francis Ford Coppola, shows scenes recorded in the Mekong Delta. We enter the dense vegetation and can see beautiful specimens of coconuts and jackfruits. A point of sale, where honey, fresh fruits and pure cocoa chocolate are produced. Here we taste tea with local honey and delight in the many fresh local fruits. A beautiful presentation of local music. And now a turbulent tuk-tuk ride to a coconut candy factory. This part of the Delta region, Ben Tre province, that we are exploring is the coconut capital. It is responsible for supplying the entire country and the plantations are passed down from generation to generation. At the factory we see the various phases involved in the use of coconuts. The removal of the fibrous shell, the removal of the bony part covering the almond, washing and pressing the almond, obtaining coconut milk and producing coconut sweets. Coconut sweets made using the traditional method, very delicious. a spectacular use of the bone part that covers the coconut almond. Lunch was plentiful, in a restaurant next to the coconut candy factory, with an extensive Vietnamese menu. That included sweet and sour tamarind soup and fried elephant ear fish. Very good. Beautiful sceneries. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Mekong River Delta. I hope you enjoyed exploring this region. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content from around the world. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any news. Until next time, everyone.